Hey, what's going on? This is Royal Ward here, and I want to give you a little bit of information about the Click Engine. I'm sure you've been seeing this thing promoted all over the internet, and I just want to share my experience with using it. All right, so as we can see inside of my Warrior Plus account, this is where this product is sold. The last 7 days, right? I've gotten hops, but no sales, right? No sales in the last 7 days, yet I have earned affiliate commissions. Now, how is this possible? This is possible because when you market products that people enjoy, they don't mind paying for them every month. It has a recurring uh, bill to it. So if people are paying for it every month, this is how you can grow your recurring income every month because people continue to pay for things that actually work and that actually get them results. All right. So the Click Engine is a done for you service. All right. You will get, and let me click on, let me see. So the reason I love the Click Engine because you get hands-free traffic that you don't have to click 1,000 credits for. And this traffic is from buyers, people that have actually pulled out their cards and made a purchase. So you're not just promoting your links to freebie seekers, all right? That's what I love about the Click Engine. And if you promote their affiliate program, you can earn lots and lots of commissions. So check these stats out, all right? Let me just show you how amazing this is. If we click on last year, right? We're currently in November 2022, but if we click on last year, I don't have not one sale in my account. Click Engine has been the easiest thing to promote online for me. Not one sale in my Warriors Plus account. But if you click on all time, you see last year I didn't have anything. And since like maybe what, April, I believe, you see $265.43. Most of that is coming from the Click Engine. All right. And this is a system that people are paying for every month. This person is on their 6th month. All right. Their 5th month, their 6th month, their 2nd month, their 3rd month. So not only can you earn commissions, but you can earn recurring commissions and upsells. All right, I've got some upsells that I've earned also. All right, this is believe this is a upsell. Oh, that's from something else. Sorry about that. But yeah, man, I'm actually enjoying. This is the upsell right here, $14. This is an upsell right here, $8.90. So this is a recurring bill system to where people get in. You have to purchase to get in, but it's hands-free traffic to whatever website that you want. You can promote 2 links if you decide to use the upgrade. But this is one of the easiest things I've ever promoted online, guys. Seriously. I believe that Jeff Amen is raising the price on the Click Engine. It's only at $4.90 per month. Super affordable. And you get quality traffic. And if you promote the affiliate program, you can make some decent money. All right. As you can see, I push over $500 in sales, and over 250 has came back to me, and recurring payments. All right. So the Click Engine does work. Right now it's at $4.90. I believe that price is going up. So I highly suggest, if you're not inside the Click Engine, if you're not using this, because you're not going to get quality traffic from buyers that actually have money to spend and have proven that they have money to spend for less than $5 a month. All right, so it works, and I'm actually glad and grateful that Jeff Amen put this together because I've earned bonuses, the $25 bonuses, plus commissions, plus recurring payments. All right, so it absolutely works, and this is something you should actually take advantage of. Thanks for watching. That's just my experience, and I'm just sharing my truth with you guys. All right. Click the button down below right now and get started today.